my DIY. Welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I want to share with you how to create this beautiful Mother's Day wreath. While store-bought items are nice too, there's something special with a homemade gift for your mother. I think she will appreciate an extra effort that you're gonna put into it. Whether you are an expert crafter or you've never done a DIY before, I'm sure she will appreciate this. Simply because it comes from the heart. And that's all that really matters, right? Let me show you guys how easily, inexpensively this could be done. All my supplies today come from a Dollar Tree, except the wreath. It's a grapevine wreath, and sometimes you can find them at a Dollar Tree as well. So we're gonna need ribbons, floral tape, wire, and of course flowers. I have crocuses here. These flowers look like baby tulips. They're so cute. I recommend getting them. I have 4 bunches of pink and 4 bunches of purple. I also recommend getting a sign for your wreath. Something as basic as what I have, just a mom or a nice quote, something cute that your mom will enjoy. I have here chalk paint that I'm going to use to paint my sign. First thing that we're going to do is cut all the flowers. Next, we will make little boutonnieres in sets of 5. So I have like 3 purple, 2 pink. And the next one, I will make 3 pink, 2 purple. And I am removing some leaves because it is too much. And then we're going to tie it with some floral tape. And then we keep repeating the same process. Now 3 pink ones, 2 purple. I'm removing the leaves of 3 flowers and just keeping on 2. And we're gonna use these leaves later on to fill in the holes in the wreath. But right now in those little bunches, this is sufficient. And just tie it all together and continue the same process until you use up all the tulips. And this is how it looks. We have 8 little boutonnieres, and we're gonna use 4 on each side. So first, let's just set it up without gluing or anything, just to see where we're gonna place everything, just to make sure we have a good starting point. And the key here to a beautiful wreath is to have all the flowers going in one direction. So that's what we're gonna do. All of them will be cascading down. And everything here, I think, looks good. And all we need to see how much space it is for a bow. I have a bow from a different project, and I think it fits just perfect, just covers that empty spot over there at the top. So now we can go ahead and glue everything using some hot glue. As you notice, I glued the first boutonnieres right there in the middle. The next one, I'm tilting slightly towards the outside, just like so. Same with this one, slightly towards the outside of the wreath. And the next one, I'm going to glue right there slightly towards the inside of the reef. This will help us create a nice coverage all around the reef. Towards the inside, just like so. And this one towards the outside, and so on. Okay, and when done, you can just play a little bit with your tulips, fluff them up a little bit, make sure everything's placed nicely. That's a good thing about these artificial flowers. You can bend them any way you like. And now is the time we go back with the green leaves that we removed, and we insert them under the flowers, all around under the flowers. Cover those bold spots. This will really bring out the beauty of our flowers now. Doesn't that look beautiful? I love it. And I'm gonna leave a couple leaves for later just to fill in some bold spots when I install the bow. And now let's make a bow. If you've seen my last Dollar Tree haul, you remember these beautiful felt ribbons that I got. And I think the purple and pink one will match this wreath perfectly. So I am just making a very simple bow, 10 inches wide loop right there. And we're gonna make two of them like this. So we have two bows 10 inches wide. We're gonna pinch them in the middle and tie them together with a floral wire. And we're gonna use the remaining ribbon as a tail for our bow. All we have to do is just cut it at an angle to create a fishtail. Then we also pinch it in the middle and tie it together with the rest of the bow. And just like this, we got a beautiful purple bow. Next, we're going to follow exact same steps to create a pink bow. We have two 10-inch bows. We pinch them in the middle and attach the remainder, which is a tail. We tie it all together with the floral wire, and we have another bow. It's all good until your dog gets a hold of your floral tape. Come on, Coco, give it back. So this is how it looks with the pink bow. This is how it looks with the purple one. And I think the best way is going to be to combine the two. What do you guys think? What would you do? Let me know in the comments down below what would you choose. Maybe you like the neutral one that I had from the previous project. Let me know what's your favorite. I know my mom likes color, so I'm combining the two bows. Once we make one big bow, I use the same wire to attach the bow to the reef. And this is how it looks. I think it's absolutely beautiful the way it is. And if I didn't have that mom sign, I think I would stop right there. But since I have the sign, I have to work on that next. First, I spray painted the sign with the cream chalk paint. It came out beautiful. It was perfect for the neutral bow, but I felt like with the colorful one, it looked a little bit too bright. So I decided to distress it a little bit with some fine sandpaper. And then I decided to go for it. I grabbed some hot pink paint and I decided to paint inside the letters. And then I took some purple paint and just went on the outside of the letters. Then I decided to highlight the edges with some brown marker. It came out so cute, but still a little bit too bright for me. So I took some brown paint and decided to really go for it with a dry brush. I had to wipe some of it off, but it really helped me to tone it down. And then I attached the sign to the reef with the help of some popsicle sticks. I just glued them in the back and covered them up with a little bit of grapevine, and you cannot even tell the popsicle sticks are there. Yet they really help me secure it well to the reef. And we are done! The only thing missing now is my little cherry on the top, a tiny pink butterfly. What do you guys think? I am really happy with the way it came out. It is such a statement piece for a front door, and I cannot wait to give it to my mom. I hope she will treasure it for many years to come. Because I made it with all my heart, and that's all that really matters, right? Alright guys, this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you stopping by. I hope you're gonna go for it and make this wreath for your mother. I'm sure she'll love it. And have a happy Mother's Day, and make sure you like this video and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.
Hey guys, it's Nicole and Coco from My DIY. And today we are going to make a Mother's Day wreath.